Hello, this is Africa. Welcome back to This is Africa. And now let me take you to Uhuru Park. And this is a park that is located in Nairobi. And this is a park that is used by thousands of Kenyans every day. And it is usually packed during the weekend, especially on Sundays. So the park has been closed for months for renovation or facelift, and it has been barricaded, meaning that we do not have any access to go in. But based on the photos that were released by the Nairobi Metropolitan Services, which is a government entity being headed by the general body, it is showing we were able to see the glimpse of the progress of how the park is. So what they're doing is that they are planting grass. They're trying to make that the green places a lot. They're also planting trees. That is contrary to what the court had stopped them when there was a case that was brought to the court claiming that the trees are being cut. So Uhuru Park is one of the best places for anybody to go and relax. And this is a park that we really have to thank Professor Wangari Maathai, and together with the Karura Forest. If it wasn't for her, the only thing that we'll be seeing there are buildings, skyscrapers, and the citizens will be having limited places to go and enjoy. So another thing that we can do is that we can also be able to use the Google Images. But one thing that you have to know is that the Google Images does not give you direct feedback from what is happening on the ground, because these images, they do delay. So you can see from the Google Images that indeed the park is being renovated. And I just want to point out that this is not exactly what is happening on the ground. I just want to use the Google Images because these are the images that are free to use, just to give you an idea of what has been happening. And once they reopen, obviously, we are going to be back and show you what they have done. Another park that is being renovated at the moment is the Central Park, which is just side by side with the Uhuru Park, separated by Kenyatta Avenue. Central Park is one of the parks that is not used by many. In fact, many people don't even know where Central Park is. That is, I find that to be quite interesting. But Central Park is just the other side. When you cross Kenyatta Avenue from Uhuru Park, that is where you are going to find Central Park. So these are the parks that are being renovated, and I'm so sure that the citizens will enjoy these facilities once they are opened. Another park that is being renovated is the Jivaji Garden. That is a garden which is along Moi Avenue. It is being renovated, and although the work has been delayed, if you look at what has been happening there, we thought by the time they had started, we thought this was something that was going to be finished within a month or so, but this is a renovation that has been ongoing for almost a year now, I think. So guys, thank you so much. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Poa sana. So far, not much has been done, but you can see they are trying to change the landscaping of this lovely park, which is located in Nairobi Central. So you can see we already have the road soil here, which I'm not quite sure what they are going to do with it, but from what I suspect is that they are probably trying to beautify some of the areas in Uhuru Park by probably planting some flowers. I told you, NMS has already changed some of places here in Uhuru Park, and I do believe that they continue to change the face of this iconic park. So most of this shot that I'm